How to play with friends in Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go allows you to connect with friends and add a social element to the classic game. And what you have to do is to add your friends first. So open the Monopoly Go app on your phone or tablet, then locate the friends icon or menu option within the app. It's typically found in the bottom right corner of the main screen. Then you have to choose from the three different methods. So the first one is the contacts. This option scans your phone's contacts list and allows you to add friends who also play Monopoly Go. Grant the app permission to access your contacts if prompted. Facebook. If you connect your Facebook account to Monopoly Go, you can automatically add friends who play the game through Facebook. And then you have the third one, the invite link. This option generates a unique link you can share with friends. When they click the link and they install the app, if they haven't already, they'll be automatically added to your friends list. To play with your friends, unfortunately, Monopoly Go currently doesn't offer a direct way to initiate a game with friends. However, you can utilize the social features to connect with your friends, like the leaderboard. Check the leaderboard to see how your ranking compares to your friends. This can spark friendly competition and encourage you to improve your Monopoly skills. A community chest minigame. The community chest minigame requires 5 players to participate. You can encourage your friends to add you and work forward unlocking this minigame together. Alternatives for playing with friends. Board game vision. Consider playing the classic Monopoly board game with friends in person for a more interactive experience. Online board game platforms. There are online platforms that offer digital versions of board games, including Monopoly, where you can play with friends remotely. While Monopoly Go's friend system doesn't offer direct game initiation yet, the social features can still add a fun element to your Monopoly journey. You can connect with friends, track progress, and potentially unlock minigames together. Keep an eye on future updates from the app developers as they may introduce features to directly friend-based gameplay in the future. Yes, so it's not possible yet to play within the game itself app, but you have like the options to track your friends and to see progress and the leaderboard and so on. So this is basically it, how you can play kinda with your friends. So thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.